A new idea to create content for your channel in just a few minutes and in an innovative way. You can reach the best topics and make a full video from these topics using artificial intelligence, from an avatar speaking in the video to written content, free videos and background music, all in one site. First, we will see how to find topics with a lot of searches on one of the most visited sites in the world, which is the well-known Wikipedia, and how we summarize these topics to get a script. Then, we will get to know a fantastic site. We turned the script into a video, and we can add a talking avatar and free videos with background music capable of producing a complete video that we can publish on the channel. We'll go step by step to see the method and start immediately after the intro. As we said at the beginning of the video, we will look for topics with a lot of searches to make videos from them. For this, I will go to the Google Bard site, specifically Google Bard, not ChatGPT, because its information is updated moment by moment. I ask it to give me the top 10 niches searched on Wikipedia. Then, I choose the niche I want to work on, and ask it to give me the most researched topics in this chosen niche. This is a search for more than one idea to make a video about. When I choose the first idea, I search for it on Wikipedia, take the link from Wikipedia, and return to Google Bard and ask it to make a summary for the topic I chose and add the link. Then, I get a ready script so I can move to the second stage, which is the stage of creation of the video. At this stage, we will use a legendary site called elidit.io, which will prepare the entire video for us just by providing a script. First, we register with any account, then we activate the registration. Now, we can start making the video by clicking on Start with another video, and we choose the avatar that I will use in the video and start designing the video, for example by placing the avatar in the corner and adding a video from the library available on the same site that relates to the subject I will be discussing, and we click on Video Design. Then we click on a video design. You can test the visibility of these videos, and when you see that things are successful and views are increasing, you can subscribe to the website for $23 a month and get 180 minutes. As you notice, artificial tools have become numerous and have been able to simplify our work, especially in content creation. I recommend that you start now and take full advantage so you aren't left behind in the future with the threat of missing out on change. This was our idea to make money from faceless YouTube channels in today's video. For those who haven't subscribed to the channel, I advise you to subscribe because the upcoming ideas will be more. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it. And see you in the next video.